Hi, She.
Teacher.
Good evening, She. Wait, why can't I see you? Hi, good evening. Oh, you're holding your pen and ready to write new words now? How are you, She?
I'm really good.
Oh, great to know that. Can you share something about your day first? What happened today? What did you do today, She?
In the morning, I sleep because I wake up at 12 o'clock.
Oh no! Okay. What about in the afternoon? What did you do?
I go to my English class.
Oh, okay. You have your English class. I see. And yesterday you swam at the beach with your family, right?
Yes.
Okay, sounds fun. Why? What did you celebrate yesterday, She? Is it someone's birthday or nothing?
Nothing.
Oh, okay. Just bonding with
Just
your family.
is sometimes
Oh, okay.
my
Sometimes you
family
do
have
that with you swim with your family. Okay. It's nice. She. Okay. Did you eat your dinner already?
yes.
Okay. What did you eat?
I eat
Rice and
no.
oh, you did not eat rice.
Uh No, I don't eat rice.
Oh, you
But
don't eat rice. Okay.
but
What did you eat
I
then?
I don't I I don't know in English.
Okay, that is fine, she. But what is the Vietnamese term of that food?
Hả? Cà.
Oh, okay. I'm not familiar with it. I'm only familiar with pho, bun cha, banh mi. Okay, I only know those dishes. Okay, so now let us have a quick review first. Can you tell me what's he doing?
He can play uh table tennis.
Okay, we're very good. What can she do?
She can dance.
Very good. What about him? What can he do? Or what is he doing? Can you remember that?
He he is playing basketball.
Is it basketball? No, not
Uh
basketball.
dodgeball.
Yes, it is dodgeball. Okay, what about her? What is she doing or what can she do?
She can swim.
Very good. And the last one, what can she do?
She can play volleyball.
Okay, very good. Next one now. You have to tell me what these are. Let us start with this one first. Can you tell me what is it, she?
Mm, but it's basketball.
Okay, yeah, we use this in playing basketball. What do we call it? It's a, do you know? now. It's what do you think she? Do you know it or no?
I think I think I
You've studied it?
study
Mm-hmm.
at
Okay, so what is it?
last week
Oh, really?
and
We haven't we haven't talked about this one yet. So if you have learned this one in some of in your other subjects, that would be good. Can you tell me what is it?
uh
It's a basketball. Wait, it's a
basketball
basketball hoop.
hoop.
Yes, or we as well can call it basketball ring. Okay, basketball hoop or ring. See, that is it. Now, next one. What about this? Oh, you know this one.
It's bat.
Okay, yes, it's a bat. Next one, she.
It's rocket.
Okay, very good. Racket. Next one.
Uh, table tennis racket.
Okay, yes, tennis racket. Okay, tennis racket. What about this? When do we use this thing? What sport use this thing? She?
It's volleyball.
Okay, what is it?
I don't. Volleyball hoop.
No, it's not
No.
a hoop. It's a, yeah, it is a volleyball net. Okay, volleyball net. She, net. Volleyball net. Okay, now next one. What about this?
It's shuttlecock.
Okay, yeah, it's a shuttlecock. Now let us have exercise 7. And in here, you have to click the correct picture. Okay, now do you play any sports, Miss Brown? Yes, I play
Yes,
volleyball.
volleyball.
Which picture
It's
shows that?
picture one.
Okay, very good. She, what about the second picture? What sport is that?
Is basketball.
Great job, she. Now, do you play tennis, Alex?
No, I play baseball.
It's
It's
which picture?
picture two.
Okay, very good, she. Now, what sport do you play, Mr. Smith?
I play soccer.
Great
It's
job. Okay, now,
picture two.
okay. Yes, it's picture two. Now let us have this one. Is she? Okay, so would you rather play soccer or basketball?
Uh,
Would you, if you were to choose, she, would you rather play soccer or basketball?
I
Do you understand the question, she, or no?
I I I don't I don't know. Rather what?
Okay, now it's would you choose to play? Okay, wait, let me translate it. She
Bạn thích chơi bóng đá hay bóng rổ hơn?
Okay, you have to choose one. What do you like best? Is it playing soccer or playing basketball? Okay, can you tell me, would you rather play soccer or basketball?
I, I would rather play soccer.
Oh, soccer. Okay. Now, next one. Would you rather go swimming or play tennis?
I would rather go swimming.
Okay. You are into swimming. Would you rather play table tennis or volleyball?
I would rather play volleyball.
Oh, volleyball. Okay. But
I
it
can't
would.
play table tennis.
Oh, okay. You can't play table tennis, but everything can be learned, she. So, if you have free time and you want to learn something new, yes, you can always learn table tennis. Okay, so now let us have 28. Now we'll have music. Do you like music, she?
Yes, I
Oh,
I like some English music.
like?
Uh, I like uh Sabrina music.
Sabrina Carpenter's?
Yes,
And just her? You only know her? Taylor Swift. Do you know Taylor Swift?
I I a little, but um I not usually listen her music.
Oh, okay. You listen to Sabrina Carpenter's music the most. Okay, that is totally fine. What about Vietnamese songs?
Uh,
Do you know Kwang Hong Master D?
yes, I
Oh,
like
you like him?
he and I I think under uh you not know he.
I know him, she, because one of my student is claiming to be his husband.
I I I want go, go to his concert in Elmont.
But why don't you go?
Uh, I go with my mother.
Oh, you went to his concert?
Yes.
Oh, wow. That's so nice. You're able to experience going to concerts already. Well, I've heard some of his songs, she, and yes, he's a great singer and he is handsome too. Very handsome. Okay. Now, well, I only know him, she. The rest, I don't know other Vietnamese singers. So now let us have exercise one. Okay, now let us have this one. So you will be Maya and I will be Madoka.
Let's play a song, Madoka.
Okay, will you play piano for me? I will sing.
Sure.
Okay, great job, she. You know how to play the piano, right?
Yes, I
Oh,
like piano.
oh, you like piano. And you
My
sing too.
whole my house, in my house have a piano.
Oh, you have a piano. Wow. And you have a piano class, I believe. Do you have it?
Yes.
I see. How many songs can you play in the piano now?
Uh, is many and I have two book piano.
Oh, wow, interesting. You're indeed talented, She. You should continue that one. Okay. Is it easy to play the piano, She? At what age did you start learning piano?
I don't understand.
What age did you learn how to play the piano? At the age of 5, you know how to play the piano already? Wait. At what age did you learn how to play the piano?
Uh, uh, in here I 10 years old and I play piano in 9 years old and I study 1 years.
Oh, you study in a year. Okay, and you can play a lot of songs now. Okay, such a great progress. Thank you. Now, in here, let us have this. What can you play?
I can play the piano.
Okay, that's right. Now, what about this one?
Is guitar?
Yes, it is a guitar. Do you have a guitar at home?
No, I can't play the guitar.
Oh, you can't play it. But yeah, everything can be learned. So if you want to, then we have videos online, tutorials on YouTube, right?
Yes, and in my cousin's home, uh, they have so they have many guitar because
Oh, they have.
because their father like play the guitar.
Interesting. What about in your family, What musical instrument does your dad like playing? Can he play
I
musical instruments?
I I don't know.
Oh, you don't know? You don't know if your dad can play musical instruments, or you don't understand the question. In your family,
Uh, my f- my family. Oh, my grandparents. And dad, mom, my younger sister, and I in Hue City, and my cousins and cousins family is in Dana City, and in my family, the the my my family can't play music.
Musical
Uh,
instrument.
and in Dana City, my cousin's father like play guitar, and I can play piano.
Okay, which is good practice. It's really nice for children to know a lot of things at such a young age. Now, what about this one? What musical instrument is this? Oh, you know this one, of course.
Violon.
It's violin.
Oh,
Violin.
in Vietnam is violon.
No, it's violin, violin. It's violin.
Violin.
In
See?
Violin.
In Vietnam, uh, very so many people read violin is uh violon.
Viola?
Yes,
Okay. But yeah, in English, it is violin. Violin. See? Hear it.
Violin.
Violin. Violin.
Okay. Yes, it's violin. I play the violin. Okay, now what about this one? What can she play?
Oh, she can play uh what
You've got this. You can do
uh
it, Remember it, It's
in last last class you
mm-hmm.
you
Yes.
uh,
Yes, I told you the name of this one.
I I don't know mm, uh,
It's
um
what do you think, What is it, It's she can play
uh,
the drums.
oh
Drums.
drums.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay, drums.
drums.
That's okay. Next one now. What about
I know I
this?
know as father's iPad.
Okay. Well, that's good, So you will understand and retain them better. Okay, what about this one?
I I know I know in Vietnam, but
Mm-hmm.
I can't play. Uh, uh, I really see this
Oh, okay. So you don't know this one in English.
a little, a little. I I don't know. Um
It's
uh
okay.
I I
Xy.
don't study.
Oh, okay. So it's a xylophone. Xylophone. I play the
Xylophone.
xylophone.
Oh,
Yes.
oh my God.
Why? What's the matter,
My My Apple Pencil is
Out of battery?
yes.
Well, that is okay. Anyways, we're almost done. Okay, so this one is a xylophone. Okay.
Okay.
So now let us have this one. What instrument do you play? I play the xylophone. Now, what musical instrument do you play?
Uh, I play the violin.
Very good. What musical instrument do you play?
I play the drums.
Very good. What musical instrument do you play?
I play the guitar.
And what musical instrument do you play?
I play the piano.
Okay, very good. Now, what about this one? Can you tell me what this is?
Uh, uh, I don't know this in English, be- but I studied this in my school.
Okay. And you don't know how to play this one?
No,
You only learn. Okay, so it's a flute. Flute, flute. Okay, I play the flute.
okay,
Sáo,
Okay, flute.
uh, okay.
Okay, so that would be it for tonight, and next meeting will continue the rest and as well as we'll have a quick review. So thank you so much for your time, You can sleep now. Good night,
Hey teacher, hey
Yes,
teacher, y-
yes.
can you play a music uh
Musical
musical?
instrument?
Yes.
No, I can't. I can't because in the Philippines, it's not a requirement for children or for students to play musical instruments. If you like it, you can play it, you can learn it, but you are not forced to do it.
Hey teacher, can I see your pen? It's,
My?
oh, your hand is long. Be because my friends is play piano and uh their hand is so long.
So,
And
is it difficult to play piano if you have a long
yeah,
hand or a big hand?
no, I play piano, but my hand is not long. It's short.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much for sharing that, Okay, so I'll see you again next meeting.
Oh,
Okay.
it's finger.
Fingers. Okay, fingers, not hand, because this is the hand and these are the fingers. Okay. So, thank you, and good night. Goodbye,
Goodbye,
She.
teacher.